Hey, hi friends, I'm live now. I know this I have not informed you right before, but yeah, because due to some reason, guys, I was not keeping well. Okay, so but yes, since most of you need this live session, guys, and requested me for this live session, so I came live now. Okay, so you guys can come online and you guys can shoot your question related to Linux, related to DevOps, related to right cloud, AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, or a GCP Cloud, or anything. It's any career related doubts and all, right? If you need any career guidance, right, anything, guys, let me know. I am happy to answer your questions. Okay, I can understand today I have not informed this before, but yeah, I request all of you to that please come and join the session. I can see the viewers are joining now, right? It's good. Hey, hi Bhanu. Thank you for joining this session. Now I can see a good amount of my audience. That is what the love from you guys. I really admire, guys. I'm really I am giving my heart and soul and everything for you guys. So yes, thank you for joining the session, guys. In a very short notice, I know normally when I do live sessions, I used to write mention in our, I do a community post, right, and then you guys will join the session, correct? But thanks for joining in a very short notice. Okay, so you guys can ask your question, and there are some announcements also which recently in the comments, right, and where people have been asking me, sir, right, they have some doubt related to 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. So let me clear those doubts. But before that, right, guys, I'll see your questions and let me answer your question. And in between, I'll explain that, right. Those queries, those doubt, I'll try to sort out within, right. Okay. So so thank you guys joining in a very short notice. Okay. So yeah, so I can see first of all whoever is joined, and I request all of you please mention your name, right? So I'll be very happy for you guys. Okay. So first of all, hi Bhanu, thank you for joining this session. Shiva Kumar, hi Shiva. I'm happy that you have joined this session, and I'm going to take your name also, guys. Okay, and guys, today I'll be speak little bit low. I know because of my, yeah, I was not keeping well, but yeah, let me answer your questions one by one. So your name is coming as a IT, guys. Whoever name is coming something, please mention their name so I can call up their name over here, right? So and at the same time, guys, those whoever wants to join my channel membership, especially I'm telling channel membership, okay, they can click on this link, okay, and they can join the channel membership, right? So okay. So now, yeah, so I'll start with the question. So, and why I have pinged that link to my YouTube channel membership, guys, because the reason whoever only looking for like some kind of a career guidance, right? Or if he only needs some kind of a mock interview, right? Or if he needs some mock interview, then they can join my channel membership, right? Straightforward, I am telling. And that is not going to cost you 150 rupees, okay? But yeah, for 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, I'll come to that one, guys. I know there are some doubts from you guys, so let me clear those doubts also, and then I'll ping the link of 100 days of IT corporate boot camp as well. Okay, now let's move on to the questions, guys. Today's questions, what you guys are asking, that career guidance will you be providing, sir? Okay. For which one, Raja? Raj D. Raj, that is what I am asking. Raj is asking that career guidance will you be providing, sir? Yes, 100% career guidance. That is what I am here, Raj. Very honestly, see, I don't want you guys. I know the path which I came from, right? So that is the purpose of this channel only, right? I said knowledge is a soul and it has to transfer from one generation to other generation, right? So this is that reason I said, right? So the potholes, or you can say the patches or the breakers, already come in my life during my IT career. So this is that reason 100% I'm going to provide you the career guidance. Okay. So definitely, okay. So please come forward, either whether you want to join the channel membership or if you go for 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, guys. Let me tell you, both are fine. If you see, if you are looking for a course which will be covering everything, okay, so then you can go for 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. And if you only looking for mentorship, and if you are only looking for mock interviews, then you can join my channel membership, totally up to you, right? So, and there also I'll provide the career guidance, okay. But in 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, the options are more, that is what I am telling you, correct. And yes, let's come over here. Harish sir, I am a 2011 batch pass out of, now I am keeping 4 years experience in Linux. How to know real time? Okay, so Harish, if you, I'm not sure you have gone through my channel or not. And guys, one more thing, it's a small request that most of you are not subscribing to the channel. Guys, I am now, there will be more treasure for you in coming, or I would say in the upcoming months. Anyways, it's almost more than some 240 videos I have uploaded. I think it's 240 video, right? So I have uploaded in my channel, right? So it's, you can go there, Harish, and you can check that there are so many real time, right, which you can mention in your resume. For a Linux project also you can mention, right? You can also mention, I would say, some shell scripting real time projects, those are there already in my channel. Okay, and if you want to mention beyond that, like some FTP server configuration, like NFS server configuration, DHCP server configuration, right? Or I would say LDAP configuration. So these are the real-time projects, guys, which I have mentioned. Basically, these are the things only in a Linux administration which comes, even Apache Tomcat server, right? Nginx server, right? So these are the yum server configuration for patching you used to do it. So these comes under your real-time project only, right? And your shell scripting, anyways, it's mentioned in my channel. Okay, Harish, and at the same time, if you want to go through all these real-time projects, so I would suggest go with my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. There you are going to get everything into a single plate, guys. Okay, this is that reason. And at the same time, yeah, now I'll come to the question. See, through your question only I'll answer to the audience, that most of you are asking, sir, this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp is what? Okay, it's different from your channel videos. See, let me tell you very clearly. So it's not different from my channel videos. In my channel also, okay, videos will be there, but in channel things are very mixed up. Okay, mixed up means I have created the playlist, okay, but obviously in these 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, okay, it's going to cover each and everything that Linux administration with RHEL 9. I would say I have covered everything with Linux administration with RHEL 9, with all real-time troubleshooting issues, right? And at the same time, real-time projects also. First of all, this thing, okay? And these are my live classes recorded videos. Remember, guys, most of you are asking, sir, whether we are going to join the live class. No, see, very honestly, I'm telling you, these are the recorded videos of my live classes, okay? Which I cannot. Now you will say, sir, what is the difference between then in your channel videos and this video? Because these live videos, guys, I cannot upload to YouTube as per the YouTube active community guideline, okay. Plus one more thing is that, see, in my channel, right, all of you have gone through, right? So where you are getting any doubt, any queries related to topic, suppose somebody is not able to execute a script, right, normally, recently I have seen that. So how you are going to interact with me in that case? So this is that reason, guys, I have created this a platform where not only you can go through my courses, plus at the same time you can open a discussion with me. You can you like, right, you are asking a question, I am answering, right, as of now in this live session. Same way there, we can start a live session, okay, and you can ask your question, I'll answer your question. And even it's not a live session also, if you have doubt any related to any of the topic, you can ask those questions, okay. This is the basic difference, I would say, from that to my channel. And why I have not uploaded those videos in my channel, this is that reason, guys, okay. And that course is have everything, okay. First of all, it's almost covering everything. But again, I am telling you, since you guys know, I'm putting my uh, hard work in my channel to make sure that whoever is, it's not right, guys, it's totally up to you. If you want everything in a single plate, then go for that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. If you have financial issues, anything, then my channel content is enough for you to clear any of the interview, okay, right. So that is there, totally up to you, right. You are going to get everything. Now I'll come to the question. I hope I am able to answer most of your questions or query, because most of the comments are, sir, those are the live classes videos. So very honestly, those are not the live classes videos, those are the recorded videos of my live classes. Means live batch is absolutely different. That video I used to record, okay, and the same video I used to upload to my 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, guys, okay. So this is the answer for that one. Now I'll come to the questions. uh okay, so this is Haris, I think I am able to answer your question. So this is how, if you go with that 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, immediately you will get your answer. Bhanu, how to expertise and familiarize in Linux admin role, any social media platform? As of now I am going through Udemy, okay. Bhanu, I'm not sure why you are going through the any of the, I'm not sure who has suggested you expertise or familiar. It's my channel only, Vanu, okay. So Linux, I think I have the content which is through which the viewers are getting job. What else you want? That is the maximum thing we need it, right? So everything is there in my channel, Bhanu. Okay, it's everything is there. Whether if you want to know how to give how to give an interview, that is also there. Career counseling point of view, that is also there in my channel. Course is also there, Linux course, plus Linux interview question. That is one of the thing which I have not uploaded anywhere, it's only in my channel. And the content is like 99% of the question is coming from that interview question and answer, because those are the real time questions only, Banu. So I would say, like, please go through my channel. If you are going for an interview immediately, okay, you have already prepared for Linux course, okay, so please go through that one, okay, and you will be able to clear your interview, right. So Dastagiri, hi sir. Hey, hi Dastagiri, thank you for joining the session. I know you are a regularly joiner or the viewer of my channel, right. So much appreciated, right. Thank you for joining on a regular basis. uh Riaz Mohammed, sir, as a fresher, Linux administration, minimum salary to maximum salary. See, this again depends upon Riaz. That is what I told you. There are multiple factors, okay, which is involved for a salary, right. This you cannot tell, okay, because recently this is a debate now. I used to read lot of article news and all, right, IT news and all. So where you have seen recently somebody has tweeted also, right. So salary of a, I would say, of a IT engineer, what it was there 10 years before for a fresher, it's now also the same, okay. So but again, if you want the data, okay, so on the basis of the data, I would say it depends upon your location wise also, okay. It depends upon the tier 1 city, tier 2 city, tier 3 city, okay. That factors also. At the same time, how was your interview, what is the budget for that role and all, right. So these are the factors, okay. And salary may differ, Riaz, okay, but if it differs, then it's not like that it is a very huge difference for a Linux admin. But at the same time, you have to add some additional skills, I would say, into that one. So it will be fall somewhere around like, I would say 0 to 5 lakhs. Okay, this is the salary range of a Linux administrator, according to me. For a fresher, it will fall under, because when I joined as a application support engineer, or you can say the operation engineer trainee, okay, at that time in 2011 I am talking about, it's way back. Okay, at that time, even I have explained also in one of the video that what is the average salary of a 2 years or a 3 years of a Linux admin guy. So you can go through that video. But you see, at that time I was getting somewhere around like 3 lakhs. I have started my career with 3 lakhs of a package, right? So that's, I can say, being a fresher or a application support engineer, or I say I started my career operation engineer trainee is nothing but it's basically a application support engineer, guys. Okay, or Linux administration also involved in that one, I said, right? So you can expect somewhere around like 0 to 5. That is the exact figure I am giving you. But as per the current market also, if you see the average salary of a Linux admin of a fresher, it falls under 0 to 5, Riaz Mohammed. Okay, so at the same time, it depends upon your suppose if you know shell scripting also, so that is an added advantage for you. Okay, yeah. So Siva Kumar, next question is Siva. Siva is asking which CI/CD is the best for current job searching, Jenkins or GitHub Actions. See, GitHub Actions is, Siva, it's a co-pilot nowadays, because in my previous project also, my last project, okay, so there we were doing GitHub CI/CD. We were, means it's a co-pilot basically. As of now, it's a co-pilot project going on. Uh, though it has good features, okay, compared to your Jenkins, definitely now the, I would say, the IT industries start shifting, but it is not, I would say, 100% as of now. Very honestly, I am telling you, Shiva. Uh, but Jenkins is already into this. You, all of you know, earlier Jenkins we call it as a Hudson, right? Earlier we call it as a Hudson, correct? So then it's we named it as a Jenkins, right? So but Jenkins is, most of the organization still the pipeline is running on Jenkins or Azure DevOps pipeline. These are the two pipelines, guys. Remember carefully, again I am telling you, uh, Shiva, to answer to your question, the most common pipeline has been used in this IT industry is Jenkins pipeline for parameterized pipeline, guys, where we are using Groovy scripts and Jenkins files to define our pipeline, to write where you can write Groovy scripts to pass a parameters and all. Jenkins file you need to mention to define your parameters and all, to call the parameters basically for the, but Jenkins pipeline. And now we are moving to, most of us, like Azure DevOps pipeline, guys, we are using, Siva. But GitHub jo whatever you are telling, GitHub Actions, it's, I have already, it was a POC, it was a demo for my, in my previous project, where client is not 100% with this as of now, as per the current market, I am telling you. So this is with my previous project experience. Okay, so it's basically a co-pilot. Okay, so yes, going forward, if it is like we believe the I would say what the expectation from Jenkins, or the Jenkins is not coming up with the expectation, or you say Azure DevOps is not coming up with the expectation, so hopefully GitHub Actions will fulfill that one. But it is not, I would say, in like very boom, or as of now, it's, yes, it is in trial phase, you can mention like that. Okay, so I hope I am able to answer your question, Shiva. Babu, sorry, Bandhu Naidu. Hi, sir. Hey, hi. But guys, one second. Let me share this link to everyone. If somebody don't know that I am doing the live session today. One second, guys. Sorry, I was not keeping well. So normally I start the session at, all of you know, right? I used to start, and even I used to send a community post also. I'm a very process oriented person and very timely do things and all. But since, right, I thought I won't be able to take it, but it's your love only, guys. You are showing it for my channel, and guys, please, 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 support the channel. That is the request I can do it from you, and subscribe more and more so I can come up with more and more videos. Anyways, those are videos are in the pipeline and they will be soon published in my channel, right? So let me paste this link. Please click on the link to join the live session, right now. Okay, so people will get notified, guys. I have not notified to you, I know. Okay, so yes, I did it for you guys. Okay, now I'll come to the question. I'll take the questions. So Haris, I have answered your question. Bhanu, I have answered your question. Riaz Mohammed, I have answered your question. Siva, I have answered your question. Babu Naidu, hi, greetings. Okay, thank you for joining the session. Then what is that? Shanmuga. Prabhu Kumar. Hey, hi Shanmuga. Thank you for joining this session, right? Vishal Kumar. Hi sir, I am currently working as a system administrator. Want to switch to Linux domain, but not getting a call for a job since last 3 4 months. Is there a no? There is nothing wrong with the. That is what I said, Vishal. First of all, let me clear this one. Let me give you the exact data. Just give me 1 second, I'll give you the data. There is nothing wrong. There is a so many, you need only one job. Okay, and can you tell me 1 second, sorry, uh, Vishal, can you tell me your location, which location you are, from which location you are? So it's going to give me a idea, and I'll tell you the exact data from that location, how many jobs are available, right, for a Linux admin. Okay, so because Linux admin can cover most of the things. Okay, so I'll tell you 1 second. Okay, so for Bangalore location, very honestly, I am telling you, Vishal, for Bangalore location, almost 25,000 two jobs are available. Okay, you guys already know that I am sitting at a very good position in my organization, and this is what job I am taking interviews for most of the candidates, right? And yeah, so I am always with the market, guys, up to date with the market. So this is my job to nobody should right get demotivated because of any reason that there is no job in the market. Absolutely wrong. First of all, whoever is telling these things and all, please bring him in front of me. Okay, I don't know, even my organization also, there is even so many. One more thing, guys, please read the articles. I don't know why you guys don't read the job alerts and all, because recently Forbes.com also, I'm not promoting anything over here. Forbes also mentioned there are so many companies who are opening for a freshers. Okay, who are hiring for a different position, for a different roles also. Okay, and even SAP is hiring, Accenture is hiring, right? These companies are, there are so many companies who are keep on hiring. But yes, for you, for your question, Vishal, for Bangalore location, it is almost 25,000 active jobs are there. And I'm not sure from which location you are, so if you can mention. For Mumbai location, it's almost 9,044 jobs are there for a Linux admin. I'm just telling the like the IT hubs and all. And for Hyderabad also, it's almost, I would say, 11,176 jobs are available. Okay, so from where these jobs are coming, Vishal, I'm not sure. You just know I talk on the basis of data, right? So please come to me first. Before, I know you guys are very young and you don't have exact, I can understand. Okay, So, but no problem, guys. So these are the openings, Vishal, and you need only one job to crack it, right? So yes, definitely there are openings are there in the market. And since from last 3 4 months you are not getting anything calls and all, so that might be because of your resume is not getting shortlisted. This is the reason, Vishal. Okay, and you need to learn how to apply for a through a different channel. That also I have explained in my career counseling. You please go through, there is a playlist, guys. Let me ping that playlist to all of you. In that playlist, multiple times while I am doing the counseling of members of my channel, right? So there I am keep on explaining them that how they can apply. There is a proper way, there is a process I have created through which you can apply the jobs and you can get the calls, Vishal. This is for you. Definitely openings are there, is a openings are there, but you need to know how to get the calls, how to get shortlisted, right? So that is there. Let me 1 second, let me ping that playlist to all of you, so you can go through that one. I If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe the channel, guys. Please, I request you. I need your support. Then only see, it's your channel only. So I can see most of you are not subscribing, though you are viewing those videos, okay, but you guys are not subscribing. But yes, please go ahead and subscribe today only, okay. It's your channel only. So that is a motivation for me, guys. How I'll get the encouragement, you only tell me how I'll get the encouragement. Okay, if you will be subscribing to my channel, then only I'll get the encouragement, correct? So you see, I ping the playlist, guys. These are the playlist. Please click on this playlist, go through. There are so many career, and going forward also career counseling are coming soon, where you can right, you can come forward, right? Or there is already in the counselings are in pipeline, which will be published soon in my channel, right? So thank you. I think just let me quickly, I know today I'm not well, guys, but yeah. Sir, like Linux, but I am confused. What choose Linux administration or cloud engineer? See, again, you no need to choose. Again, your name is what? Okay, Vikas. Thank you, Vikas, for mentioning your name. Please go and change in your profile name as a IT. This is good. You can mention Vikas IT or something like this. This is the name I can give you. Thank you. So, answer to your question, you no need to confuse first of all. Again, understand very simple way I am going to explain you guys. Okay, you only tell me. As I said, if you have to build a building, Vikas, okay, so from where you will start? You will start digging the right, and then you will make the foot, you will make the foundation first, correct? See, just understand, right? So same way here also, if you want to become a good cloud engineer, because if you are directly, see, you only tell me DNS server, right? FTP server, NFS server, NTP server, Cronny D or Cronny server, Apache Tomcat, Nginx server, Yum server, right? All these server, even patching and all, whether you will where you are going to learn all this, your user administration, right? Everything is correlated from, see, one technology is the predecessor to the other technology. But here this the thing is, you should be build your career around Linux. That is what means. If you have to go upstairs, okay, you have to take the first step, second step, third step. What is your first step, Vikas? Your first step is your Linux administration plus shell scripting, okay? Then only you can become a good cloud engineer. Now you will understand what I said. DNS server, route 53 is what? Route 53 in your AWS. If you have already learned DNS server, where you know already what is your I would say reverse lookup or a forward lookup, right? Reverse lookup zone or a forward lookup zone. So everything you already know when you learn Linux administration. And when you get entered into AWS cloud or Azure cloud or a GCP cloud, there also the exactly same DNS is there, right? So there is no difference. That is what I am telling. See, it's not, you need no need to get confused. Answer is very simple, very very simple. The answer is that if you have to build a building, so first you need to put the foundation. On top of it, you are going to build your multiple stories, story 1, story 2, story 3. So like that only, Linux is that foundation, and on top of it you are building your cloud, you are building your DevOps tools, you are making your profile more rich. Okay, you are making your profile good. So without Linux administration and a shell scripting, you cannot think of any of the role: operate form engineer role, a SRE engineer role, application support engineer role, production support engineer role. Please go read the JD of any of it. You will see there is a good amount of requirement which will ask you that where they are expecting from you, like same what a Linux administrator role is there. That also I have explained what is a Linux administrator role is there. If you go and read it to any of the JD, now in front of you only I am reading one of the JD. So what is the job description they want it from you? So they need a 8+ years of experience in managing Linux setup. So they want a install administrator and maintain hardware, system, software, networking, account and security measures on VMware configurations, diagnose and correct system issues, whether these be issues with correct operations or performance, reinitiate integrity of system quickly as possible as falling outage in order to minimize the downtime, right? Track resource usage using monitoring and queuing softwares, right? Peer assistance in an patch system firmware software needed. Okay, this is a job of a Linux administrator. That is what just now I have read this one in front of you only, guys. And please go ahead and read the JD of a cloud engineer. So you will see 50% of the things will be from here only. So that is what I am telling. So answer to your question very quickly. Okay, as per the data I am telling you, Vikas. So you have to, it's not or, you cannot tell. You mentioned that, sir, like Linux, but I am confused what choose Linux administrator or a cloud engineer. You need to learn Linux administrator for and shell scripting both for automation point of view. I'm telling. Then your career should go towards cloud engineer. That is what I say. It should not be or. So it's a add-on. Okay, so you need to know your and the reason behind that why cloud engineer. So you would say, sir, then why I should go for? Because 92% of the servers, whether it's a Microsoft server, GCP server, or a Google, means Google server, or any of the organization server, they are running on Linux operating system, guys. And where they are running? In the cloud only. Okay, so cloud we need it because now nobody is doing on premises. Why they have to invest heavy amount in creating an infrastructure, right? So the need is more into optimization, cost optimization is involved into this one, right? So I hope I'm able to answer your question, because if you have understand, if you don't understand, you can connect to me through my channel membership also. In my channel it's not going to cost you more than 150 rupees. And if you want to learn more, okay, about my courses and all, this is my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. Okay, 1 second, because let me quickly ping this one. Now let me go to the questions quickly, guys. Sorry, I am little bit slow, I know. I explain so much. Okay, but yes, I cannot resist myself to. So you guys should not go in the wrong direction. Okay. Hi, sir. This is Harshai. Earlier, I have enrolled to, and now announce same thing, which is the same like earlier or anything different. Harsha, I have already okay, I explained about this 100 days of IT corporate. Okay, what all things you are going to get in this 100 days of IT corporate, and what is the difference between, right? So I am going to ping this one in front of you only, guys, as of now. And you will come to know each and everything of this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. So see, I told you these are my live classes videos, we recorded videos, guys. Okay, which I cannot upload to where, which I cannot upload to my YouTube channel. The reason behind that, as per the active community guideline. At the same time, where, like suppose you are going through a course, so in YouTube there is no option where you can ask your queries. In the comment only you can ask, and I'm that is going to take lot of. So if you have immediately, if you want to know immediately, like you are pinging me, sir, this is my doubt, this is my query, how you are going to clear your doubts. So this is that I have created that platform where you can ask your queries, you can doubts immediately once you go through the course, with all real time scenarios, troubleshootings and real time projects. So this is what I have pinged in front of you. Let me ping this one, guys. So what you are going to get in this course? So answer to your question, Harsha, let me quickly ping this one over here. So yes, yes, okay, let me ping this over here. I think it's crossing the limit. Okay, 1 second, Harsha. I think these many words it's not taking at once, guys. Okay, these many words it's not taking at once. So let me ping one by one, so it will be easy for you. So what in this 100 days of IT corporate boot camp? Okay, you are going to get. Okay, and those who have financial problem and all, so okay, no worries. There is enough content in my channel, guys. You can go through that also. And if you are only want mock interviews, right, or if you only want like career council, please join my channel membership. It is hardly 150 rupees and all. Okay, so that is there. So what all things you are going to get in this course? What are the what you are going to get in this course? What is that course, guys? First of all, let me ping. That is 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, right? And I'm honest with everything, I don't want to say lie. So there is a minimum cost involved into this one, in that my, because I have hosted that one into a platform, and that platform is managed by a different vendor, so they are charging for that one. Okay, so this is the cost involved in that one, right? So yeah, so what you are going to get it over here, so I'm pinging one by one, so it will be easy for you. Okay, let me see if it's taking all the words at a time. I'm not sure. Yes, it's taken. So these are the things you are going to get in this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp, guys. And yeah, you can see these many videos will be there. And at the same time, if you want to know the course content, how much, so it is having everything. But coming back to the, so you guys have joined this live session, right? So let me answer your questions quickly, guys. Uh, okay, where I was. Yeah, so I have answered your question, Harsha. So Pindi Venkateshwaralu, I'm not sure why you have deleted your question. You can ask your question. Uh, so MDG, your name is coming. Hi, sir. Learn something from your channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, MDG. Thank you very much, guys. And one more thing. See, I know like most of you are after going through those not only interview question and answer, you are able to crack your interview. You are getting your dream job at the same time. You are learn how exactly to work in a production environment. One small request to all of you, please mention in the comment, guys, if you have selected, whether you get a new job also, or if you in within internally also, if you have selected. Okay, please mention those things. I know few of you are coming forward already, most of you are shy. Okay, that's not a problem, guys, I can understand. But that is what my appreciation is. I'm not expecting anything from you guys, right? Only if you have to appreciate, if you have to show your gratitude towards your, right, guru, or whatever you want to say, like a teacher or a mentor, that is what, or a friend also, I am your friend only. If you want to show your gratitude, please mention your comments wherever you have selected. That is a appreciation for me, guys. That is what the recognition for me I am expecting from you guys. Very honestly, I'm telling you, if you have to recognize me, if you have to appreciate me, okay, so you can at least comment wherever you are getting selected, right? And you are cracking interviews, or you get a new job, or within the team, means internally also, you, so many of you have, they came to me, I know, okay, but either they are shy, they don't want to come in camera, right? To help our community, let's help our community. That is the main aim and the goal of my channel is, guys, right? So MDG, thank you for appreciating me first of all. Okay, so your name is coming as a e-office training. I'm not sure. Okay, please mention your name again. Hello, hello. So Vikas again, sir. My name is Vikas. Thank you, Vikas. I think I have answered your question. I need your help. How can I move end user support analyst to Linux, which is best Linux administrator or cloud engineer? I answered your question already, Vikas. And if you want to connect with me, please join the channel membership. You can connect with me. Omkar Jadhav, sir, happy Friendship Day. Okay, even I forgot, guys. I put so much of today. Also, I was working on. You know, most of you are demanding, sir, please give some PDF. Okay, so for that only, you know, I have created a website for you guys only with my own money. I'm not expecting anyone money from you. That is what. So with my job, see, I have a proper 9 to 5 job also. Okay, I'm a working professional, guys, in that. So I'm, and same, the website and all, from where, right? So hosting will cost you, your domain name, it's going to cost you, right? And for AMC annual renewal charges, it's going to cost you if you want to do anything, right? Plugins will going to cost you, right? So everything I am doing with my own money. Okay, but yeah, if you want to support me, guys, you can go and buy my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp. And if you want to support my me, then you can even join my channel membership, and you can do. Okay, that is what, if you, for you guys only, freshertube.com, all of you know, I am mentioning in the starting of my description only. So those PDFs you are, those will be basically all the content, written content, I am the, which I am mentioning in videos and all. So I am going to, that's taking time. Reason is that it's not some bookish, I need to write it down, and then I'm, it's a blogging website, guys, for you only I have created, where you will be getting all your notes and all. I hope I have answered your question, and thank you, Omkar, for Friendship Day. Okay, really, really thankful, really appreciated. So I'm all the time I'm thinking how you guys are going to get good content, and how I will fulfill your wish, guys. So right, I'm trying my level best each and every day. Okay. So IT, sorry, Vikas, sir, actually I'm confused. Vishal, sorry, Vikas, I have already answered your question. Zafar Sayed, hi, Zafar. Thank you for joining the session. Milind, I know Milind is my regular viewer. Hey, hello, Milind. Ravi Kumar, sir, I have experience of 6 years in technical support and now want to switch to DevOps role. What would be the best plan? Have an hands-on experience in a day-to-day Linux operations. How can I start? Okay. You have almost 6 years of experience into technical support, and now you want to switch to DevOps role. So first you need to understand what is a DevOps role is all about, Ravi. Okay, and what would the best plan? Have an hands-on experience in day-to-day Linux operation. So Ravi, since you have no idea about the DevOps role, I don't want to misguide you, because I am a manager in DevOps. Okay, first of all, under me there are many DevOps engineers are working, right? And I am taking interviews of a DevOps engineer on a regular basis. So immediately answer to question, I don't know how many of you will understand the role of a DevOps engineer, but in front of you only I am going to read the role of a DevOps engineer. If you understand anything, then let me, what all skill sets are required, immediately I'll tell you. Sorry, Ravi, for a DevOps engineer, if you will be able to do all this into your skill set, then you'll become a DevOps engineer. First of all, you need a version control tool. Go with Git or GitHub. You need a configuration man sorry you need a integration tool, that is you should be knowing Jenkins or Azure DevOps pipeline. You should know your containerization tool, like you should know Docker Swarm, and your orchestration tool, that is Kubernetes. Now you should know any of the configuration management tool, that is Ansible, Puppet, or Chef. Now you should know one scripting language, either you should know shell scripting, bash shell scripting, or a Python. Okay, that is important. Now you should know your operating system, complete Linux administration of any of the distro or any of the flavor, like Red Hat Linux, CentOS Linux, Ubuntu Linux, SUSE Linux, or any. Basically you can go with Red Hat Linux. You should know any of the monitoring, at least 2 to 3 monitoring tool. You should have knowledge of Splunk, Elk, Kivana, Grafana, or AWS Cloud Watch, right? Or any, or even Zabbix also is fine for you, Prometheus also is fine for you. So you should know these monitoring tools. Now you should know the ticketing tools, at least ServiceNow, or you can say the Jira, or a Rally, or there will be Service Anywhere. Database knowledge is also required, that is what everybody is missing, the database. Okay, being a DevOps engineer, you should know any one of the database: MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle 10G, NoSQL, MongoDB. Okay, you know any one of the cloud, at least very good, AWS, Azure, or GCP cloud. You should know infrastructure as a tool, that is Terraform. Now you should know the servers like Apache, Tomcat, and Nginx. Now answer me, Ravi, whether you know all these tools or no. If you will be able to answer me, you know all these tools, then I'll say please go ahead and do it DevOps. Straightforward. I don't lie to in front of anyone. I said DevOps is a very versatile. DevOps is like, the role is very, it's not a, I would say it's a very mixed up. Okay, so everything. So if you want to start from you don't know anything, okay, I would say now see the role of a, this is, I said the tools is required. What is the role being a DevOps engineer is required, I am going to read that only. These are the real roles and responsibility. You will be working on maintaining, setup, and managing your pipeline. First of all, you will be working on incidents, service request, that is like a production support. You will be working on monitoring application by some kind of a Splunk tool, or a log monitoring tool, or a Grafana. You will be working on vulnerability remediation for a different, right, code vulnerabilities, network vulnerabilities, or anything. You will be working on your maintaining clusters and all. Might be it could be a Kubernetes cluster, you are only working with the Docker containers. You will be working on creating and establishing and building Jenkins pipeline by using Groovy script, or by using Jenkins file. Okay, or you will be working with Azure DevOps pipeline, maintaining and configuring multiple jobs by using Jenkins, right, resolving high risk vulnerabilities, right. You will be working on migration projects, where you will be migrating your on premises application to the cloud, whether the, see, this is just a few things I have told you. So the role is very vast. Please understand very carefully. I am not scaring all of you, I am just telling there is always a step by step process. If you want to jump everything, please go ahead and jump. It's your decision, it's your career. You see, there are interviews where people have been trying from past 2 years, 3 years for become a DevOps engineer. I don't know who all these people are there who is just misguiding up my youth. I call you my youth, you are my people. Okay, okay, or I need to, so you need to understand. See, immediately, if you are a fresher, just think, I'll give an example to you. If you are a, like a newbie, okay, to a cricket only, so who is going to open in a very critical situation, in a critical match? I am going to give you an example. You know, Rohit Sharma opens, right? Rohit Sharma opens with a most at least a player who has played minimum 100 matches and all, right? They will keep opening in a World Cup match and all, right? Normally, all of you know. So or you see a player who is uh, he's coming in the order in very like sixth place or a seventh place or fifth place. So they are like, they are also getting opportunity, but they are not coming at the opening, they are not opening the match, right? So who all is coming at the very opening of the match? Those who are very highly experienced, right? All of you know. Same way here, guys. Okay, you have to go in a process. Everything is a process, guys. You, if you have to learn something, so if you have to learn in a process, if you have to go upstairs, you have to take the first step, second step, third step, and fourth step. Like this only it is going to happen. It's not in a day, or like you will learn everything. No, very honestly telling you, no, it's not like that. Otherwise you are not going, you will be end up either losing your money from different institute. That is what I am hearing from most of the candidates. When they lose all the hopes from everywhere, then they are coming to me. I said, because people are here to just take your money, or either you will be ending depression. Okay, so I don't want you go into that situation. Very honestly, please go a process step by steps, then things will be fruitful for you. You'll see how much impact you are making into this IT industry, guys. So I hope I have answered your question. um, whose question was there? Ravi, I think I have answered your question. So, day to day Linux operation, so you can start with, and if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me. Okay. So, Ashwita D'Souza, hello, sir. Question is, a root user is not able to delete. Okay, slash data directory. There is no issues in permission, or see for this and all. Asmita, I have clearly told this live session I have dedicated. Okay, bit what could be the reason. Okay, straightforward, there will be multiple reasons for this one. Okay, but as I said, Ashmita D'Souza, very clearly, these technical questions, if you will connect with me, let me see what issues. Just join my channel membership, okay, where you can ask me. Let me see the exact issue, because this is something you are asking me, sir, please give me the medicine. Okay, by looking at, so by looking at you only, you are telling me, sir, please give me the medicine. I need to diagnose you first. Okay, same way like a doctor has to diagnose someone, for a right, to give the medicine. If he has a headache, where exactly the issue is, right? Whether he's a stomach pain, or he's having fever, or he's having a other, right? He has to go through the tests and all, then only he'll prescribing to its patient, right? Same way here only for these questions and all. First, I don't answer anything without looking, because this is something which is troubleshooting. Okay, my one answer will lead into some other direction. Okay, so this is that reason for these kind of a things, guys. Okay, I would say, Ashwita, please come and join my channel membership. Let me ping you the link of my channel membership. You can post the logs and all. Let me see the logs exactly, and according to that, I'll give you the best solution. Okay, a correct solution, so you will be able to resolve your queries. And I said, please utilize this live session for your career counseling, for your doubt clearing. This is for the, I have in the first session only, I have cleared the expectation from all of you guys. Okay, the time is very limited, where I need a system, I need to show you. If you have any issue related to technical, I will show you in front of you only with the screen sharing and all, so you'll understand. So, Tati Neni Teja sir, please tell AWS admin experience for day-to-day activities or roles and responsibility. Okay, so the roles and responsibility will be, okay, for a AWS engineer. See, I'll tell you, Tati Neni, sorry, your name. I'm just it's quite yeah. So the roles will be, it will be like you will be create new AWS VPC, private pub, or I would say public or private subnet route table. You will be interacting on a day to day basis. Okay, Tatineni, internet gateways, implementing Jenkins pipeline for your AWS, implementing Ansible for CD using Jenkins, right? Implementing log management of your CloudWatch, doing production and staging deployment in your AWS cloud, right? servers for staging and production environment. You'll be writing jobs to automate deployment process of your staging. So it's a mixed of a thing will be there. At the same time, you will be either migrating your EC2 machines from one region to another region in AWS, right? Configuring your MySQL master or slave, and master replication setups and all, right? Written scripts to take backup and uploading the same on AWS S3, like MySQL backup, right? You can host your any of the server, right? Or like PHP MyAdmin if you're using on AWS EC2 instance, right? uh, Database different environments will be there, right? There are multiple I would say responsibilities will be there for AWS engineer, I would say Tatineni. Okay, so these are the few of the roles and responsibility which I just now told you. Being a AWS engineer, you need to work on. You'll be working on incidents also, right? There will be many. So ultimately your cloud is you are using, on top of that you have hosted your application, right? So you will be interacting with your application also. You will be facing any issue related to your application, you have to resolve those, right? Either you will be working on some kind of a IAM role, means you are giving some permission to some of the user who don't have permission to log into any, right? So it's basically related to your compute services, I would say, your storage services, your database services, right? So these are the things you will be interacted, I would say, on a day to day basis. And let me give you a few more answers to the roles and responsibilities. Okay. Or if you connect with me, I'll give you the roles and responsibility of a AWS engineer, Tatineni. Okay, for a 4+ engineer of a day to day activities, roles and responsibility. Okay, so Tatineni, happy Friendship Day. Thank you, Tatineni, for happy Friendship Day to all of you. You are my friends only. So, hi, sir. Good afternoon. This is not good after Prabhu Kumar. I'm not sure, Prabhu, from which location you are. I think it's almost night, okay, in India. Bhanu sir, I'm following your channel as a daily basis and watching interviews. Sorry, not mention at that time. No problem, no issues, Bhanu. Okay, I'm happy. Okay, sir. Sanav Rao. Okay, Sanav. Okay, thank you, Sanav. Good mentor. Tatinis, I want to give mock interview to you, sir. Please tell me the process. Please join my channel membership. Please come forward and join the channel membership, guys. You'll be see. I am going to paste the link, and it's not going to cost you. Right, this is the process. You join the channel membership. You come forward, and you can give your mock interview. Okay, so I am Delhi from, but I want to move Bangalore. Vishal Kumar, please move to Bangalore. Okay. As I said, the number of opportunities are obviously less compared for a see IT hub. I know there is a something which is uh, everyone is talking about. The openings are very less because it depends upon most of the company prefer these 3 or 4 location. Either you all of you know 66,000 IT companies are there in Bangalore, guys. Okay, just think of it. It's all, I'm including everyone, startups, big MNCs, Fortune 500, and all. So these are in Bangalore, and just think of it. So out of obviously the opportunity will be more, and if you don't want to move to Bangalore, you can go to Hyderabad. Also, Hyderabad is also becoming a very big IT hub. Now the next is Pune is also fine, guys. Okay, and there are some other locations also which I'll tell you quickly, where you will get opportunities are more. Even Noida is also fine nowadays, I can see. But the major chunk of the openings, or you are going to get it, I have just now few minutes before I have given you data also, where I have told 25,000 jobs are available for a Linux admin in Bangalore. Hyderabad, it is almost like 11,176. Mumbai is also a very good place, I would say, for a IT, where 9,000 something job is available, right, in all areas of Mumbai. Chennai is also a good place, okay. But Delhi, you can see it's hardly 4,722 Linux admin jobs are there. If you go and search for a DevOps also, you will become to know how many DevOps roles are there. So obviously, it is a good idea for you. I would suggest Vishal, please move to Bangalore. Okay, and if possible, you can go to Hyderabad also, it's fine. Both places are fine for you. Okay, so these are the answer to your question. Yes, one sir. Hi sir. Share some corporate level shell script that are used by AWS admin in day to day activities. I think it is already there, Yashwant, in my channel. Please go through. I have mentioned more than 10 plus, I would say 10 plus, yeah, 10 plus. It's more than that, real time projects which you can use in AWS also. Real time project shell script is already there. Please go through that one. And if you are getting confused, then go through. This is that reason I have created this 100 days of IT corporate bootcamp. There you will get everything in a organized manner, guys. Okay, so let me ping that as well. So if you're, so these are already there. So either you can go to my channel, there also you are going to find it, or in this you are going to get it in a organized manner. I hope I am able to answer your question, Yashwant. Let me quickly take the Pulkit Pal. Sir, job भी YouTube चैनल पे डाल दिया करो, jobs. ठीक है. Okay, okay, Pulkit, thank you, Pulkit. I'll definitely, I am going to post these jobs. No, see, these I see. Please understand, Pulkit. YouTube has a active community guideline where I cannot see. This is that reason only I started. First of all, my that website, right? You know, this is that reason. In YouTube they will either delete, or if I'll do keep on doing like this, because it's a promotion. I'm not sure it's a promotion or how YouTube will take it. Okay, if I am mentioning, see, no one is, I can tell you where and all the openings are there. So what I can do is, going forward, so these jobs, whatever the jobs you are getting, means the IT jobs or the news, or the where the fresher opening is there, the experience opening is there for a Linux, for a cloud, or for a DevOps. So you know, I have already a fresher tube. Okay, all of you know my blogging website. So there is a tab I have created, guys, IT hiring news. Okay, under this tab I am going forward. Thank you for giving me this advice. Your name, Pulkit. So I am going to put it in here. So you guys please go ahead and you can check out what all, where and all hiring is going on. Okay, is that make sense for you guys? This will make sense for you, right? So from here you can get your news that where and all hiring will be there, right? So yes, because Pulkit, that will be a recorded videos, Pulkit. Okay, obviously if I have to post where and all jobs are opening, jobs are there, right? There are for freshers or experience. So you will see, somebody will see. But if you go to a page where I can keep on updating things, right? So this is the place where I'm going to update the openings wherever the openings are there, right? So you can go through my fresher tube. I'll start doing this one. Thank you for giving this advice, Pulkit. So Linux interview process is hard or easy? It's easy, yaar. Nala by CC3. Okay, Nala by CC3. I am telling you very honestly, it's very easy. No, it's Linux interview process. It's very easy. Okay, so no need to get scared. Okay, Rajiv Yadav, I submitted, sir. I'm not sure, Rajiv, what you have submitted. You mentioned I submitted, sir. Okay. Srini Vasu has, sir, same like shell script start, Python script deep drive playlist. Okay, it's already there. My playlist is there. Start. Okay, Python script deep dive playlist. Okay, sure. I'll work on this one, because see, one is scripting language, if it is there. So if you guys are looking for a Python also, so yes, I have noted down already. There are requests are there, Srini, and I'll start the playlist soon for this one. Pulkit, I know the Linux admin. Should I got the AWS cert and all? So for that, please connect with me, Pulkit. Okay. Uh, Travel DM. Okay. Hello, sir. I am a Debrita. I have an interview coming Tuesday as a Linux administration. I have some questions and require suggestion from you. If I join your channel, I talk with you. Yeah, yeah, Debrita. Sorry. Thank you. You can please join the channel membership. You can connect with me, and I'll guide you. Definitely. Don't worry about this one. Okay. Sanav Rao sir, shell script is very hard to no Sanav. Okay, nothing is hard. It's the right or not. Okay, 100% automation is required, and I think it's easier than Python. The reason is because here you are going to use your Linux commands only. Okay, it's very simple and easy. Please go through my playlist. So now Linux shell scripting beginner to expert level. Now I see people in YouTube, a big YouTubers. Okay, they are copying right from me, and now they seen that when they see people are understanding okay very well the way I have explained. Please go through, you will see you will love shell scripting. Okay, and it will be very cakewalk for you. It's very easy for you to make a script also. Okay, now from me only they are trying to copy and they are making the videos everything in a single place. Okay, they are a big YouTubers, but see it's whatever the data, whatever the content I am providing, it's high quality content, guys. You are not going to get anywhere. The reason behind that one, these are my real time experience. Okay, these are my production environment experience which I have designed in a course and presenting in front of you. So I think guys all the questions I have answered, sir. I have done BCA. So guys, I have to end up the session here only because now I have tried my level best. Okay, and those who wants to join my 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, right, I have explained everything. I'm going to paste the link over here. They can go ahead and they can buy the course, totally up to them. And if they want to learn same thing from my channel as well, okay, they can get it from my channel as well. Okay, totally up to you. But the support which you are going to get it in 100 days of IT corporate boot camp, that also I have mentioned. Okay, so but I'll take some few more question, guys. Okay, Sahik duty, sir. I have done BCA, then learn DevOps. Now looking for job from past two. This is what Sahib Sahik. Okay, from past 2 months, but I want to do project in DevOps. HR is asking for project. What should I do? That is what I told you, Sahik. Okay, you did a BCA. I don't know from where and all you learn. Okay, please come and connect with me. This is what from everywhere. So people will ah it's we only make mistake, guys. From far things will look very good. Okay, but actual truth is different. You have to see the ground reality. Okay, so please come and connect with me, Sahik. I would suggest I will give you the right path. And so you should not be, so many of you are ending up with I am see that I have seen this one. Okay, either losing your money or you are getting demotivated or depression. Why people are doing so? I've already shown my angerness towards those people who is just misguiding you. But you are also responsible, almost same, guys. Okay, see, I have already explained multiple times how to, what is the roadmap of a DevOps engineer, what is the roadmap of a cloud engineer, what is the roadmap of a Linux administrator, or any of the role, guys. Okay, please come and connect with me. I'll tell you, this is my channel membership. Okay, you can join this one and I'll guide you. Okay, so Uzair Ahmad, sir, Matt age is 38. I am friendly about Linux. I have 3.6 years of experience as a L1 technical support, but I want to a cloud engineer. How can I do it? Please go and see this video. There are so many live session videos are there, Uzair, where I have explained how you can become a cloud engineer. Just now, half an hour or I think 15 minutes before only, I was explaining the same thing to one of the viewer, right? So you can listen to the same live session and you will come to know how you'll become a cloud engineer. You are a BCA in 2010. Fine, that is Nayan Pohare, sir. Please guide about Linux patching. Nayan, I have taken, this is already in the pipeline. Don't worry about this one. There are so many good videos are coming. Patching is one of the requirement. I have seen that multiple comments from most of you, so it is coming soon. Don't worry about that one. Answer to your question immediately. So sir, as your roadmap for a DevOps career, please. So this please come and connect with me. Okay, guys. So Azure, there is a different way only. Okay, please join my channel membership where I am going to guide you guys. Okay, Azure certification needed for DevOps. See, again, certification, I have explained multiple times. Certification is different from what you learn and do in your environment, guys. Okay, certification is only for to get shortlisted. Okay, if you have to get shortlisted, because when I have 100 candidates or a requirement of 10 candidate, and some of the candidate who has done some certifications. Okay, so obviously I'm and my how I'm going to filter immediately. So on the basis of some certifications, like if I need a RHCSA, so I know if somebody has done RHCSA, so he has already given right RHCSA exam and he has cleared that one. So out of those, the filter process means selection process will be faster. But if you talk about that, that doesn't mean that he's going to select in the interview. Very honestly, I am telling you. Okay, so it totally depends upon how much knowledge or the skill set you have or your experience and all, right? It totally different thing. But to get shortlisted, always company prefers where they seen somebody who has done certification, so he will get easily shortlisted. This is that answer to your question immediately. Uh, okay. So, guys, I'm ending up the session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again in the next live session. Till then, just do take care of your loved one. That is important. Take care of yourself also. Till then, bye bye and Jai Hind.